What's going on, everyone? We're going to replace the screen on this 6S Plus today. I'm show you guys how to do it. First thing we're going to do is power off the device. There's two Pentelobe screws on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and remove those. We're going to grab our jimmy, go in from the side, and gently slide all the way through. Don't go in too deep, you don't want to damage anything. It opens upwards like this. Next, we're going to disconnect the battery. We're going to remove this plate. These screws are different sizes, so put them in order. These screws are also different sizes, put these in order too. That there. Put this shield here. Disconnect the battery. Go ahead and disconnect the front facing camera, the LCD touch, and the home button flex. First thing we're going to do is remove the bracket for the earpiece speaker. These are different size screws, so put them in order again. Remove the bracket. Remove the earpiece speaker. We're going to remove 3 screws on this side and 3 on this side. These are all the same size. You don't have to worry about putting them in order. And we got one small one on the top that we'll put that one separate. Remove the home button bracket. And the little screw on top is right over here. Remove the plate. Gently go underneath the proximity sensor bracket and pull it off together. As you see, it's under. You gently go underneath the microphone flex. Come right off, put that aside. Remove your camera bracket. Disconnect the home button. From the outside, gently push up. And then gently go underneath the flex and pry up. Put that aside. We're done with this. Put this aside. Let's grab our brand new screen. Remove the film. Put the home button flex in place. Grab your home button, line it up, snap it into place. You grab your plate over here, Put your side screws on. 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. Again, these ones are not any different in size from each other, so you can put each screw in wherever the holes are, doesn't matter.
Funny guys.
Then you're going to grab your home button bracket. Put your screws on. Remove this film. Grab your front camera flex. Now this microphone, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a hole in it right here. There's a pin on the screen, so the pin needs to go through the hole. That's in place. Oh, gotta remove this guy. Those brackets are never on correctly, so use your own. Okay, that's in place. You grab your earpiece speaker, line it up, fold the camera over, put the camera into the bracket, grab your metal plate. Remember, these screws are also different sizes, so put them in order. This one's the short one. Got a long one that goes here. I got a longer one that goes to the left side. Okay, screen is ready to go. This is the LCD touch connector. I'm going to connect that guy first. This one right here is the home button flex. I'm going to connect that guy. And finally the front facing camera. Hook up the battery. Grab your plate. Again, remember, these screws are different sizes. They need to go back where they came out of. This one's the long one. Goes to the top right. Got a short one. Goes here. Another short one. That goes here. Another short one that goes right in the middle. Then we got one slightly longer than the last three we just put on, that goes right over here. Grab our plate for the battery and charging port connectors. Put that on. Grab the short screw. Goes there. And the long screw goes here. So now you tilt up a little bit. It has little ridges. The screen has little ridges here that go underneath the housing. So you tilt up, go underneath. Once it's lined up, gently push in. Sometimes these metals are bent, so you will have to push them in a little bit. Grab our Pentelobe screwdriver. Put the Pentelobe screw in. Make sure you put these screws in, because if it takes a hard drop, that screen will fly right off of it, tearing everything. Go ahead and power up the device. That's it. We are all done. Please like and subscribe. If there is any repair videos you guys would like me to do, please let me know in the comments. I will have a link to all the tools and parts we used in the description for this video. Thank you and have a good day.